Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you inspiring and motivational content to help you become the best version of yourself. In this video, we'll be exploring the power of positive thinking and how it can help you achieve your dreams. If you're feeling stuck or unsure of how to move forward in life, this video is for you. Chapter 1: The Impact of Negative Thinking. Negative thinking can have a significant impact on our lives. When we focus on negative thoughts, we can experience negative emotions, and our actions may reflect those emotions. For example, if you constantly think that you're not good enough or that you'll fail, you may feel anxious and insecure, which can lead to self-sabotaging behaviors. Negative thinking can also limit our potential. When we believe that we can't do something, we're less likely to take risks and try new things. We may also miss out on opportunities because we're too focused on the negative aspects of a situation. Chapter 2: Shifting your mindset. The first step to harnessing the power of positive thinking is to change your mindset. Start by shifting your focus from what you can't do to what you can do. Instead of dwelling on your weaknesses, focus on your strengths and use them to your advantage. For example, if you're trying to start a new business, instead of focusing on the challenges you'll face, focus on the skills and resources you have that can help you succeed. By shifting your focus to the positive aspects of a situation, you'll be more likely to take action towards your goals. Chapter 3: Visualization. Visualization is another critical aspect of positive thinking. Visualization is the process of imagining yourself achieving your goals. When you visualize yourself succeeding, you create a mental picture that can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. The more vivid your mental picture, the more likely you are to take the necessary steps to make your dream a reality. For example, if you're trying to lose weight, visualize yourself at your ideal weight. Imagine how you'll feel, what you'll wear, and how you'll move. By visualizing your success, you'll be more motivated to take action towards your goal. Chapter 4: Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you can use to reprogram your mind. By repeating affirmations, you can shift your focus to positive thoughts and beliefs. For example, if you're trying to build your self-confidence, you can repeat affirmations like "I am confident," "I believe in myself," or "I trust my abilities." By repeating these affirmations regularly, you can start to believe in yourself and your abilities. Chapter 5: Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positive people and experiences is another way to harness the power of positive thinking. When you surround yourself with positivity, you're more likely to think positively and take positive actions. For example, if you're trying to build your confidence, surround yourself with people who believe in you and support your goals. Attend events or workshops that focus on personal growth and development. By surrounding yourself with positivity, you'll be more likely to stay motivated and take action towards your goals. Chapter 6: Take action. Positive thinking alone is not enough to achieve your dreams, you must also take action. Identify the steps you need to take to achieve your goals, create a plan, and start working towards them. Consistent action towards your goals is what separates the dreamers from the achievers. Take small steps every day towards your goals, and don't be afraid to make mistakes or fail. Failure is a natural part of the learning process, and it can help you grow and develop. Chapter 7: Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is an essential aspect of positive thinking. When you're grateful for what you have, you attract more positive things into your life. Start by taking a few minutes each day to think about the things you're thankful for, no matter how small they may seem. It could be something as simple as having a roof over your head, a good meal, or a loving family. When you focus on the positive aspects of your life, it helps shift your focus from what you don't have to what you do have. Gratitude also helps you to see the good in every situation, even when things aren't going as planned. By practicing gratitude, you'll be able to maintain a positive mindset and attract more positive experiences into your life. Chapter 8: Surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your mindset and overall well-being. If you surround yourself with negative people who constantly complain and bring you down, it can be challenging to maintain a positive mindset. On the other hand, if you surround yourself with positive people who uplift and inspire you, it can help you maintain a positive attitude. When you're around positive people, it's easier to maintain a positive mindset, even during challenging times. Positive people will encourage you to pursue your dreams, offer support when you need it, and celebrate your successes with you. Surrounding yourself with positive people is a simple but powerful way to maintain a positive mindset and achieve your goals. Chapter 9: Don't give up. Lastly, it's essential to remember that achieving your dreams is a journey, and there will be ups and downs along the way. It's important not to give up, even when things get tough. When faced with obstacles, try to maintain a positive mindset and look for solutions rather than giving up. Remember that failure is not the end, it's an opportunity to learn and grow. Keep pushing forward, even when it seems impossible, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. By maintaining a positive mindset, taking action, and not giving up, you can achieve your dreams and create the life you've always wanted. Conclusion. In conclusion, the power of positive thinking is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams. By changing your mindset, visualizing your success, taking action, and practicing gratitude, you can create a positive mindset that will help you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Remember to surround yourself with positive people and not give up, even when things get tough. With a positive mindset, anything is possible. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.